Come here, kitty. Come on. Come on. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? As you can probably tell, I'm unfortunately suffering with something. I'm losing my voice here, not feeling so great. Today is the perfect day for some tea. I've been waiting for quite a while for my box to come. I'm not sure if it's typical with Sips By, but I didn't get mine until the very end of the month, which is fine if that's when they normally come. That is a-okay. I did open it already to get a look at what's inside because I was so excited, but I haven't tasted anything yet. In an effort to not talk as much, I will leave all the information about the Sips By box in the description box below. But let's get into this. I'm excited to show you what they sent. They sent me some interesting things this month, some stuff I've never tried. So first of all, they send a card detailing all the teas that they send you. Tea, because Sips By is a personalized tea service. It says February teas on this side. They of course always include these little, this little reusable muslin bag, including these disposable tea bags, which I do love using. But now let's get into what they sent me. So first we have a jasmine green tea, and I love jasmine. If I could pick like a flowery taste, I'm going to pick jasmine. This one's from a brand called Tea Spa. Hearty, nourishing caffeine. I like that. It has green tea, jasmine flower, brown rice, and coriander in it. That's interesting. So I've had green tea mixed with like puffed rice before and like genmaicha, but I don't know if I've ever had it with jasmine. So that will be interesting. I'm sure I will enjoy that. Then we have this package. I'm assuming it's Aesthete, Love Potion. That was one where I was like, Love Potion. So the ingredients are just black tea, Assam black tea, rose, caraway, and fennel. So I'm assuming it's the rose in this. I'm not always the biggest fan of rose, but sometimes it can be fine. But I'm interested to see how it works with that particular blend, so that'll be good. And then we have this tea from Rishi. Now this is a brand that I've actually heard of, but this is the Golden Yunnan. And also it's another one, I don't know if I'm pronouncing right. Someone tell me. For years in my mind, I thought it was Yunnan, but then I heard someone else say Yunnan. That sounds more like it's probably right, but someone tell me if you know how it's actually supposed to be pronounced.
Yunnan.
Yunnan. Okay. Yunnan. Yunnan. Yunnan.
Yunnan.
Yunnan. This is a malty and rich black tea. I'm drawn to this one today because I don't know if this is right. I might be spreading false information on the internet. Someone tell me if this is wrong or right. But I have heard that black tea is really good for when you're sick. Like it's supposed to have some like antimicrobial properties or something. I don't know, but it is one I especially want to try this morning. But this last one is the weirdest one I've seen so far. This tea, once again, you know what? I don't know how to pronounce this. I should ask Siri real quick. This is from Yaupon Brothers, American Green Yaupon Holly Tea. Now, my first thought when I saw that was, isn't holly poisonous? I mean, obviously they wouldn't send that in tea, but that was my first thought. I'd never heard of something like this. And apparently Yaupon is a naturally occurring herb in America that is naturally caffeinated, which I'd never heard of such a thing. I'm gonna quick look up how to say it.
Yaupon.
Yaupon. I hope that's right.
Yaupon.
Yaupon. Okay. Yaupon Brothers. Yaupon, or American Green Yaupon Holly Tea. I'll definitely try this out. Not today, because I really want to try out that black tea, but I have never tried this before. So this is very interesting. And I'm happy with this box. They sent me some stuff I've never tried. They sent me some interesting blends. But let's get right into that tea making, because oh man, today is the day for making tea. It snowed outside again last night. Like that was disappointing to wake up to. And I put on like my biggest, squishiest, oversized sweater, and I've got my blankie. It's just a tea drinking day. So you guys put your tea on, I'll get mine on, we'll drink tea together. right, so let's see. What does this tea card say that the flavors are supposed to be in this? This exquisite Dian Hong black tea was masterfully oxidized into an auburn color, flecked with golden buds, delightful when served straight or with milk and sugar. Yeah, I could see how this could take milk and sugar, but I prefer this tea by itself. I used to always be a tea and sugar person, but I've slowly gotten away from that. Now, pretty much the only thing I put milk in is like Earl Grey tea or chai, but even those I could do black. When I drink coffee now, that's when things get real doctored up. On the tea package, it describes it as malty and rich with a mellow, jammy sweetness and subtle accents of plum and raisin. I would agree. Even smelling the tea leaves, I thought they smelled really malty. Ooh, yes. You know how sometimes when you see like tea notes, or not tea notes, tasting notes on wine or coffees or beers, sometimes I'm kind of like, I don't know, I guess so. But typically with tea, I can taste what they're saying. Sometimes, not always, but most of the time, especially with a really flavorful tea like a black tea, I can see what they mean. Yeah, I highly recommend this one. If you like black tea, this is beautiful. It's delicious. All right, everyone, that was my Sip Spy unboxing for the month of February. Thank you for being here with me. I hope you all are staying warm and cozy and healthy wherever you are, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.